Hello? Hello? Is this thing on? Attention all passengers. This is your new captain speaking.
Julius, what exactly are you doing?
I have taken over the plane and I'm flying to Polokwane.
What? What is going on?
There is a big party there being held by all my friends and I want to crash the plane.
Julius, no!
I mean the party. Don't worry. I am a very experienced pilot, and the party will be pumping. Everyone will enjoy themselves, especially you, boss.
Julius, this is not the way.
Where is the button that says Polokwane?
Julius, no! No!
What is wrong, boss?
Nothing. I just had a bad dream.
I'm bored. Can I go and see the cockpit, boss?
No. I mean, not right now, Julius. Here. Eat some peanuts.
Okay.